Hello friends, good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn It Bro. I hope you guys are doing fine. Please take care of yourself. Please take care of your health. Let's go into today's topic. Today we are going to see the protocols and the formalities to be followed for traveling to United Kingdom. If you are traveling from India to United Kingdom, what are the formalities you need to follow that we will discuss in today's video. Effective 4 a.m. from 4th October onwards, the rules are getting changed. But for travelers from India, the rule still remains the same. There is a good news and a bad news. I will show you both the news. Now you can see my screen. Travelers to United Kingdom, new rules for passenger traveling from India to UK effective 4 a.m. from 4th October 2021. The good news is that Covishield generated by AstraZeneca is been approved by the United Kingdom. Those who have been vaccinated with Covishield, they can travel to UK and they will be considered as fully vaccinated. But the sad news is that travelers from India who have taken the Covishield vaccine are still will be considered as not vaccinated only. The Covishield vaccination certificate issued by any of the above countries. The above countries listed: Australia, Antigua, Barbuda, Barbados, Bahrain, Canada, Dominica, Israel, Jerusalem, Japan, Kuwait. From these all countries, if you are vaccinated, then you will be considered as a vaccinated traveler. But India is not part of the above list countries. If you are still vaccinated with Covishield, you will be considered as a not vaccinated traveler, and you need to follow the protocols for the not vaccinated travelers. From these all countries, if you are vaccinated with AstraZeneca, Pfizer, BioNTech, Moderna, or Janssen vaccine, you would be considered as fully vaccinated traveler. They should have approved our Covishield also, but they have not approved. Let's move to the next slide. If you qualify as a fully vaccinated traveler, these are the formalities you need to follow. From India, if you have taken vaccine Covishield, then you need to follow the non-vaccinated rule. Just for your information, you can go through the protocols to be followed for fully vaccinated. For fully vaccinated traveler, they need to follow the mentioned protocols. From these all countries, if you have taken the vaccine, both the doses, then you would be considered as fully vaccinated. If you are fully vaccinated, you need to follow these mentioned formalities. You need to book and pay for a day to COVID-19 test to be taken before arriving in England. You need to go online. I will share you the description on the link, all the links you can go through. You need to book and pay for a day to COVID-19 test, and you need to complete your passenger locator form, which needs to be filled 48 hours prior arrival in England. And on arrival in England, you need to take a test on or before day 2 after you arrive in England, which you are paying for the test in advance. Under the new rules, if you are fully vaccinated, you need not to do a pre-departure test. There is no need to carry a negative PCR test before travel, and there is no need to take a day 8 COVID test, and there is no need to home quarantine. All these 3 points: pre-departure test, day 8 COVID test, and 10 days home quarantine is exempted for fully vaccinated traveler. Now we will go move on to the next slide, and I will show you what all are the formalities to be followed for non-vaccinated traveler. If you are not vaccinated, fully vaccinated, if you are traveling from India, you are considered as not vaccinated traveler. From 4 a.m. Monday 4th October, you need to follow these rules. You need to take a pre-departure COVID-19 test, which needs to be taken 3 days before, within 3 days from your departure time, before you depart to England. It should be a negative PCR test with QR barcode, and you need to book and pay for day 2 and day 8 COVID test. And you need to complete your passenger locator form within 48 hours prior arrival into UK. And when you arrive in England, you need to home quarantine for 10 days. Wherever you are staying, in home, in hotel, you need to home quarantine for 10 days, self isolate for 10 days, and take a COVID-19 test on or before day 2 and on or after day 8. So these are the formalities, my dear friends, you need to follow. If you are departing ex India with Covishield vaccine, you are not considered as a fully vaccinated traveler. You need to follow these protocols and guidelines before you travel. So please share this update with your friends and families, so they are aware of it. From Monday 4 a.m. 4th October, that is from today midnight, these rules will be applicable. So you can share this particular update with your friends and families, or it will be useful for yourself also. If you are traveling to England, United Kingdom, if you are traveling to country United Kingdom, and you need to must follow these protocols if you are going for a business trip, leisure trip, tourism trip, any kind of trip. If you are traveling to United Kingdom, you need to follow these particular protocols. So today video was useful, I think. Hope you would have known the formalities. You would be now able to tell your friends if they are traveling to United Kingdom. You will be able to share all these formalities and you would be able to help them with their traveler. So I will meet you in my next video. Please subscribe my channel, please like my video, and please do share it with your friends. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, goodbye. Please take care of yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks a lot.